In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase Jupyter Notebook video output. We'll walk through opening a notebook, placing your video in the right spot, and displaying it larger so it's easier to see during demos and walkthroughs. Start by opening Jupyter in your browser. Once the interface loads, look to the top menu and click File. From there, hover over New and select Notebook. This creates a fresh workspace where we can run a few lines of Python to embed and resize a video right inside a cell. Before we write any code, make sure your video file is saved in the same folder as your notebook. Keeping the file in the notebook's directory makes the path simple and avoids errors. If the video lives elsewhere, you'd have to reference a longer path, which is easy to mistype, so placing it alongside the notebook is the most reliable approach. In your first cell, type from IPython, display import video. This imports the display helper we need. On the next line, call it with your file name and a width. For example, video sample, video, MP4, width equals 900. Now run the cell. If the file name matches exactly and the file is in the notebook folder, you'll see an embedded player appear at a comfortable 900 pixel width. This doesn't change the video file itself, it simply increases the display size inside the notebook for clearer viewing. If you want it even larger, update that width value to 1200 and run the cell again. Video-sample video.mp4 width equals 1200. Use this when you need maximum on-screen clarity, like when presenting or recording a tutorial. If the video doesn't render, double-check the file name, extension, and that it's truly in the same folder as your notebook, then rerun the cell. That's all you need to increase video output size in Jupyter. Open a new notebook, ensure the video is in the working folder, import video, and set the width to 900 or 1200 for a bigger, cleaner display.